Fuck camera going.
Bow Tie Avenue. Yeah, we should have.
Right there. Wish our dirt roads were like this, no bumps.
Yeah, it's fucking awesome.
No bumps at all.
Not one bump.
Not one.
Not one bump.
When you go to Crandall Road, it's
I
like.
think it ends up here.
Is it?
Yeah.
Whew. I guess
Fucking
you
the told
is.
so. Jeez.
Prince Edward Island off-road in the rolla.
You have no gas.
Yeah, we should.
On the way to the beach, you were.
All right.
Okay, buddy, we shouldn't be doing this. Look at the gas right there.
Does he come with the picture?
Gotta turn around now.
Goes forever and ever.
Wide open.
That's a fucking
Can I get the picture? Take nice pictures.
I think that's a rig down there.
Yeah, this could be a Captain Billy Road or something.
Yeah, maybe a road digger.
Grab your
Yeah, that car is coming down here.
Oh my god.
Nope, turned off.
There we go.
Another road down there.
Cute.
Wow.
Oh fuck, that was nice, Rick.
What, they should just take a bunch of fucking dirt from PEI and take it home.
Yeah.
Huge next
The whole
to
fucking
you.
road, dirt like this. This is a real dirt road. This ours are gravel.
Exactly.
Gravel and pavement.
Probably kind of.
Fucking too bad.
Very too bad. Now we're on Bow Tie Avenue.
Look at this one.
Yeah.
That's funny. I like that. Shannon. Look at her.
So
Look at me
helmet.
and her. Looks like you're crazy as fuck.
Leave all you want. I got 2 hours left on that fucking thing.
Okay.
You were touching my bum in that one. Yeah.
Nothing but bow ties on.
Pop feet.
Nice fucking house.
your bum. You're like,
Nailed it.
crazy.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Is that what I'm like? You're like,